too. You just want to make sure you have ones that have like, I don't know what you call these, like the little spikes that are 2, and then spikes that are 1, and spikes that are 3, and spikes that are 4. All right, so let me see. So this is pretty cool at Target, I thought, and you could actually use this as well for like spelling and math. But basically these Duplo have whiteboard kind of like stickers on them, okay? And this is kind of, we're gonna do some rhythm addition here. Okay, so, actually let me grab this one out. Okay, so this rhythm here is gonna, well, this Mega Block, we're gonna make a whole note. Because a whole note gets 4 beats, which means it gets held down for a count of 4 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see I have 4 spikes here, okay? Now this is a little algebra for you. Okay, over here, in a second I wanna put this down. This Mega Block is 1 beat. It's called a quarter note. So I hold down and count to 1. So you can ask your child how many of these Mega Blocks are going to fit into 1 whole note Mega Block. And of course, you get, and of course you could write on each of these, but in the interest of time, keeping the video a little bit shorter, you get 4 quarter notes. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 4. We could also have our half notes. Now these ones don't have the whiteboard markers. That's the only thing with the Target bags is they don't have the 2 groups with the whiteboard markers, but I'm sure, you know, you could create just regular like labels and put them on here. And the same thing if you just had regular Mega Blocks or regular Legos, you could just put a label on and mark it. And this is, you know, going to be our half note. So our half note, just so you know, is going to look like this. All right. So I could write that on my 2 beat rhythm here. Okay. And let's see how many half notes I could fit in 2 Mega Blocks. 1, and then 2, okay? All right, so 2, like each of these get 2 beats, 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 quarter notes to every half note. Finally, our last rhythm that I'm going to use is this one right here. It's a 3-beat rhythm, okay? And it's a dotted half note. Dotted half notes get 3 beats. So again, we would hold it down for 1, 2, 3. All right, I'm gonna put it down. Doesn't fit perfectly with these, so let's put it on this other side. You can see how it doesn't take up the entire length of time of the whole note. This is also a great way to teach about fractions. There's a lot of cross-curricular going on here with math. We talk about rhythm, fractions, numbers, algebra. That all goes kind of hand in hand with rhythm stuff with music, and that's one of the reasons why it's so good for your brain and for learning these other academic activities. So, hope you find that helpful today, and let me know if you have any comments. Thanks.
Don't forget your mask. Did you lose another mask? How many masks have I bought for you and you can't find